Everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can download the #1 and best VPN for free on Windows 10. So many people have been having the problem by downloading NordVPN and all these VPNs, which yes, they are higher in security, but they're also higher in price. I'm going to show you guys the best one that is completely free that should get you through most of your work. So you're going to press on your Windows button and we're going to be writing in Microsoft Store. Afterwards, the Microsoft Store should open up. So as you can see, once Microsoft Store has opened up, if we give it a moment, so we're going to be pressing on search and apps, and we're going to be writing VPN. Next up, there are multiple VPNs. The two best ones I recommend is VPN Proxy Fast and Unlimited, being one of the top ones. And the other one I recommend is, where is it? And the Hotspot Shield VPN. So these two are the best ones for me. I have this one as of right now, and it's quite good for being able to access like stuff that are in other countries. So like if you want to watch Netflix and some stuff is not available in your country, some films, you can use this very easily. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.